Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these paving blocks plus some another design like this. Basically the ingredients that you need is cement, sand, gravel and some water, but for my case today I bought this fast setting concrete, you know, and the bag has got everything mixed in it, cements and everything, and it's just add water, and it says here fast setting concrete, so it'll dry faster. But if you can't afford to buy this, just buy normal cement plus some sand and some gravel, and you can mix the whole thing. So as you see here, it says, you know, it'll take between 5 and 10 minutes, that's all. But unlike the normal cement, it'll take about 48 hours. So first thing I need to do, I need to put my gloves on for my skin protection and start filling this mold here like that, just so I can get the right measurement. So after that, what I need to do now is tipping it over in this bowl like this. You can always put some face mask in case, you know, for safety reason, because it comes with a lot of dust. So now I need to put a little bit of water and stir it. Just make sure, just don't put a lot of water. You don't want it to be more liquid. You need it a little bit dry. Need to move it about really well and stir it. So I ended up with nice concrete. So the next step now is pouring this concrete in the mold like this. Like that. It's best to put like some soapy water or something like, or fair liquid before you put in the cement, and you can just brush all these edges here, so when you finish your process and it's dry, you can always like release it. It will release it easy. So after filling up the mold, now we need to vibrate it. It's really important to shake it like this and vibrate it, so we can get rid of the air bubbles. So as you can see now, Our mold is full now. What I need to do now, I need to take it outside and leave it to dry. So now I need to go through the same process with this other design. Need to put like this. Put the dry cements first. Just to make sure we've got the right measurement of cement. We don't want to waste our cement. Tip it in the bowl like this. And add a little bit of water, just a little bit. We don't need too much water. We don't want it. We want it to settle correctly. So now after finishing mixing our cement, I need to prepare the mold. So I need to put a little bit of oil like that. It'll help to release easy, and I need to brush it. Mold like this. This is really important if you want to get a good result. So after that, I need to fill up my mold like this. But you can use white cement as well. Yeah, it's just whatever you want to use, normal cement or white as well. You know, you'll get a good result. Next step now, I need to vibrate it like this. Right now I need to take it outside and leave it for 10 minutes to dry. So I'll see you after this. So guys, after leaving it, so after it's been left to dry, now we're gonna remove it from molds and see the result. I'm gonna start with this one first. So let's do it like this. Gently. I don't want to break it. Go. So this one looks like this. So now I'm gonna try and remove the other one, the block. This is the block now. I'm gonna remove it from the mold and see the final result. I'm gonna try. go. So this is the final result. Yeah, I think we did a good job. See that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to stain it, and we're gonna go and see the final look. So as you can see, I ended up with a good result. This is the one I made, and these I made them the other day, and that's the other design. Sorry about it, it was broken, but I was just trying to deliver the idea how to make it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and see you in my next one.